everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share beautiful ideas of DIY organizers from fabric scraps. These are the organizers that we will make today, so let's get started. Here I have taken some fabric scraps and empty packets of cooking oil. I'm going to recycle these empty packets of cooking oil because the plastic sheet of these packets is of very good quality. You can use any other sheet instead of these packets. So I have collected a lot of packets. First of all, we will cut all the packets from the three sides as shown in the video. You can also use the packets of any other thing whose plastic is of very good quality, like rice bag, flour bag, tea packets or detergent powder packets. And you can also use the foam sheet. So in this way I have cut all the packets. Here I have taken slightly hot water and now I'm going to add some detergent powder in it. Mix it well, and now we will wash all these cooking oil packets with this detergent powder and slightly hot water. Wash them properly by rubbing them one by one so the oil can be removed. And after washing them, wipe it with a clean cloth. In this way, clean all the packets. And now they are ready to use. And here I have taken some fabric scraps. I have collected some beautiful and colorful fabric scraps. And first of all, we will join these fabric scraps. And now we will stitch them. First of all, stitch it in this way. Now I have stitched, and similarly stitch the other one. And I have stitched all the three fabric scraps, and now we will cut the extra fabric. And here I have taken the same size fabric for lining, and we will need the same size of plastic sheet. So first of all, we will stitch the two packets, and then I have stitched the other two packets, and now I'm going to join all these four packets, and I have stitched and I have made the similar size of plastic sheet. And now I have taken the fabric for lining and placed the other fabric over it, and then we will place the plastic sheet over it. And now I'm going to pin up all these three. And now we will stitch it from all the sides and leave it open about 2 inches from one side. Now I have stitched it, and now we will turn it inside out as shown in the video. I have done now. And we will finish the corners with the help of the needle. Take out the fabric from the corners with the help of the needle. And now I have done. After that, we will stitch it from all the four sides. And then fold it in half. And now we will mark here up to 4 inches. And similarly on the other side, we will mark here of 4 inches. And then stitch it. Now I have stitched from both sides, and then we will open it and then fold it. And now similarly we will mark here of 4 inches on both sides. It should be equal in length, so you can measure it. These are equal, and now we will stitch it. Now I have stitched it, and we will turn it inside out. It's very easy to make this beautiful organizer. You can make this organizer in just 10 to 15 minutes. And after turning it inside out, we will set it, and then we will make its corners by stitching it. From all the corners we will stitch it. After finishing the corners, its shape will look like a box. And now we will finish it from all the four sides. We will attach buttons like this. You can attach the different colorful buttons on the four sides. That will definitely enhance the beauty of this organizer. I hope after watching this video you will never throw away the fabric scraps again. I have attached the buttons on the four sides, and now our organizer is ready. You can use this organizer to store different things. It can be used as a fabric storage basket, or you can also use it in your kitchen to store different things. And now I'm going to stitch it from all the four sides like this. This is no cost organizer. You will never have to spend money to make it. And now this is the final look. And I'm going to organize my saving equipment in it. You can use it according to your need and choice. You can make many organizers like this from fabric scraps and can be used in your home and kitchen to store different things. This organizer can be used in kitchen to store kitchen towels and napkins. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel. So let's get started another organizer. Here I have taken another piece of fabric and I have folded it. And now I have taken the plastic sheet. I'm using this plastic sheet because due to this plastic sheet, our organizer will become strong and hard. Now we will cut the extra fabric and we will cut the plastic sheet also. We need the same size of plastic sheet and fabric. First of all, we will fold the fabric in double and now we will measure it. It's a rectangular piece of fabric and the length is 9 inches and width is 6 inches. Now we will place the plastic sheet over it and I am going to pin up it. You can also use the foam sheet instead of the plastic sheet. I am just reusing these oil packets because I am going to make this organizer no cost. Because we often throw away such type of packets of food items, but this is an excellent idea to recycle them. And in this way you can save a lot of money. Here I have stitched it from 3 sides and we will leave it open from one side. Now I have stitched it and now we will remove all the pins and turn it inside out. This organizer is also very useful and is very easy to make. You can make it in just 10 to 15 minutes. Now I have turned it inside out and now we will finish the corners with the help of the needle. And now I have done. Here I have taken a soft fabric and I am going to prepare a strip by using this fabric. In this way we will stitch it and I need just a little one. I have cut the extra fabric and after that we will stitch it. And I have stitched it. Now we will join it to the base. In this way we will join it over the base. You can use any fabric for this. I have taken this soft fabric from my old sweater. So you can use the soft fabric of your old sweater or old socks. I have taken this soft and thick fabric of old sweater because I am going to organize all my needles and pins in it. And now I have attached it and here I have prepared one more strip and we will make the 2 pieces by cutting it. Now I have made the 2 pieces. Now we will attach these 2 pieces of strips to the base. If you find the video helpful, then give a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe the channel. And also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. And now we will make a hook by using the piece of strip. And we will stitch it also. And I have stitched. And here I have taken another piece of fabric for base and we will secure the base. Fold this fabric to the upper side and in this way we will stitch it from all 4 sides. And then our organizer will be ready. And I have done. Now you can see our organizer is ready. Now you can see from both sides, it's looking very neat. Now we will organize all our needles and pins in it. And whenever you need the needles and the pins, you can take out from this organizer. And now we will arrange the safety pins here. And here I have organized the scissors. And I have organized all the things and I have attached the button over it. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye bye.